It's your boy.
ATG Music.
I like how you whining your waist on mommy. I like your body, your best on mommy. Oh baby, baby, just whining. I like your whining. You got perfect timing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bemi. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back and tuning into my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do your makeup in literally 30 minutes, guys. Like, it took me 30 minutes. Normally it takes me about like 2 hours to do my makeup, but today 30 minutes and I was done, literally. So also, my hair is from Aligracehair. They sent me their Brazilian straight hair, 4 bundles of 26 and a 20-inch lace closure. So I'm just gonna get up so you guys can see. So that's where the hair is up to on me, and if I turn around, it's literally just like up to my bum. And guys, when I tell you this hair is so silky and soft, like, it's just, oh, this hair is so nice. Like, and the thing is, I've actually had hair from Aligracehair before, and that hair I bought with my own money, and guys, that hair was amazing. It was beautiful. Like, it was straight, it was silky, and literally every time I went out, people were asking me, Bemi, where's your hair from? And I'm like, Aligracehair. Like, the hair is just so pink. And I've had that hair for like 2 years, and then it's gone now. It's gone now. But that hair was amazing. I bleached it. I think I bleached it twice. I dyed it 3 times, and the hair was still holding up pretty good. I'm gonna insert some pictures and videos. So when the company contacted me, they're like, they want to send me hair, I said, why not? Like, because obviously I've had good experience with their hair. But I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel like they've changed their vendor, because this hair doesn't feel the same as the hair that I paid for with my own money, because this one, it frizzes a lot. I'm not even gonna lie about that. This hair frizzes, so I literally have to keep brushing my hair. I have to keep brushing it. But apart from that, this hair is very soft, it's very nice. Like, it's giving me that Naomi Campbell type of vibe, and King K as well. You know, that sleek straight hair, that's the vibe it's giving me, and I just love it so much. When it comes to the closure is really nice. It lays really flat, as you guys can see. The only thing is, there's a lot of fillers in their closure. So if you don't know what a filler is, a filler is basically like when you get a closure and there's just like loads of short hair to make the closure full, basically. I don't know if I'm explaining it properly to you guys, but I'm gonna try and see if I can show you. Okay, I can't find any right now, but guys, there's loads. Okay, there we go. So you can see this. The closure is meant to be 20 inches, but you can see where that is up to. So that's what a filler is. They've used a lot of that to make the closure really full, but that's the only thing about the closure as well. The hair is just beautiful. Like, I don't have anything bad to say about it, apart from the fact that it frizzes, because me, when I get straight hair, I like my straight hair to be bone straight. This hair, it stays straight, it's just that it frizzes. But it's not even that bad, it's just me being me. Like, I don't like my hair, I don't like seeing anything, I just like my hair to be dead straight. Yeah, so if you guys want to purchase this hair, I'm going to make sure to leave the links down below. Anything you need to know will be down below as well, so please make sure you check the description box below. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button right now and be subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any uploads from me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing like a Kim K inspired type of makeup look, and I feel like her makeup is always like a very neutral. Her eyes are always bold, lashes are always bold, like her lips are very neutral, which is obviously what I like. So I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and for my brows today, and her eyebrows are also very full as well, but as you guys can see, my brows are very thin, so I'm going to have to fill them in. I'm going to be using the Rimmel eyebrow pencil in black brown. I'm going to like skip this part as well, because you guys have seen me do my eyebrows like so many times. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation, and I'm just going to drop a bit of the OPV Rose Gold oil into the foundation. And the reason why I'm mixing it together is because sometimes I feel like the Huda foundation is just too thick for me, so when I mix them together, it just gives you like this really nice finish, but it's still very full coverage at the same time. So now I'm just going to conceal my under eye, and I'm going to be using the NYX HD concealer, and this is in the shade Deep Golden. So now I'm going to highlight my face using the LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is in the shade Toffee. I'm just going to use this under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, Cupid's bow, and just the normal places that I would highlight anyway. You don't get caught with your sister. I want food on leg back. I want food on leg back. So now I'm just going to contour my face using the ABH foundation stick, and this is in the shade Cool Earth.
Oh yeah, dance for daddy. Make us spray you the money. We are shaku for daddy. Make us spray you the money.
Bend low for me, shy you for me, break your back for me, yeah. Show me love, say make you shy you for me, best mommy.
And now I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush just to blend out everything together. And so now I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent powder just to set my concealer in place. Now I'm gonna set the rest of my face using my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW50. Moving on to my eyes, I'm gonna prime my eyelids with my concealer, which is the same concealer that I used to clean my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna use this as a base. We just sexy figure it. So for my eyes, I'm just gonna be applying burnt orange all over my lid as my transition shade. Like my eyeshadow is gonna be so simple. I'm just gonna use this as my transition. Spray money like $1. Give me more shit, anti-baller. Scatter the place, make you bend over. And now I'm just gonna apply Smoke by ABH in my crease. This is just gonna help to define my eyes a bit more.
I do the beat, I give the beat, oh. Fire boy, they are so.
Now I'm just gonna dust off the rest of the powder because I don't need it anymore. So now I'm just gonna add this highlighter from my ABH Glow Kit, and I'm just gonna put that in my tear duct.
If I get money, I spend everything on you. Baby, you too fine now.
I'm gonna line my waterline with my black eyeliner. And I'm gonna apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm gonna be using the MAC Mineralized Multi Effects Lash Mascara. I wish I had really long like bottom lashes, but I don't, so I'm just gonna contour my face as well using ABH Smoke, which is what I used in my crease. I don't know guys, I don't really contour my nose anymore, you know. I'm gonna apply some blusher, and I'll be using the ABH Blush Trio in Berry Adore. So I'm gonna be using this shade, and it's called Velvet. To highlight my face, I'll be using the ABH Glow Kit.
My baby, I go show you, make everybody know. Baby, let me love you,
I'm gonna line my lips with a brown lip liner.
Baby, you too fine now. See how that you wine now, give me that time. Baby, you too fine.
I kind of have to overline my lips because my lips are so small, they're tiny. So I'm gonna apply ABH liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Ashton, and I'm just gonna put this on my lips.
She make it rewind.
For gloss, I'm gonna be using my Kiko lip gloss in the shade number 19. I also like to add just a bit of clear lip gloss on top of it. So yeah guys, that's the end of this video. I seriously feel like something is missing because I don't have a wing liner, but I'm gonna film it because sometimes you have to try something different, you know. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and simple makeup look. Like, it literally took me 30 minutes to do my makeup, and this is the quickest I've done my makeup in so long. So anyway, if you guys liked this makeup look, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like and share, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.